This is the Zener Diode Regulation Interactive Calculator, which solves for 6 different parameters in voltage regulator circuits using Zener diodes. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate series resistance Rs, Zener power dissipation PZ, maximum load current IL, output voltage VOUT, circuit efficiency, or minimum load resistance RL-min. For this demo, I'll select Calculate Series Resistance Rs. Next, enter your circuit parameters. Input voltage VIN is where you enter your unregulated supply voltage. Zener voltage Vs is your Zener diode's rated voltage. Series resistance Rs is the current limiting resistor value. Load resistance RL represents your circuit load. Zener current is your desired operating current through the Zener. Zener power rating Ps max is your diode's maximum power specification. Finally, min Zener current min is the minimum current needed to maintain regulation. For our example, I'll enter 15 volts for VIN, 5.1 volts for Vs, 470 ohms for Rs, 1000 ohms for RL, 5 milliamps for Is, 0.5 watts for Ps max, and 1 milliamp for Is min. After clicking Calculate, the tool displays your calculated series resistance value along with other circuit parameters like load current, total current, and power dissipations to verify your design meets specifications. Find the link in the description below.